Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, October 21st, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. We have no birthdays to celebrate today. We have quite a few tomorrow, so I'll update this for tomorrow. But here's a picture of my dog. I was trying to work yesterday and he was sleeping on my computer. All right, the value and culture focus of today and this week. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. So being respectful is also being kind, whether that's to yourself, to your friends at school, to acquaintances, your teachers, even your substitute teachers, every adult in this building. Also, sometimes respect can be picking up trash that you see on the floor and throwing it out even though it's not yours. It's taking care of your school and respecting the place that you go every single day to be educated. And then idea 25 is greet visitors and make them feel welcome. I've seen a lot of you do this and I'm so impressed. It takes a lot to go up to a stranger and introduce yourself and welcome them to our school, but it's really, really worth it. All right, some announcements. Obviously, you should all have your IDs. If you do not, you cannot find it, then please give us $5 and we will put in a ticket to get you a new one. Also, today is Monday, so that means you return back to your homeroom block for academic block. Now, take a chance right now to look at your uniform. Make sure your shoes are black, your pants are black or khaki, you have a belt on, you have a uniform shirt, and if you are wearing a jacket, that it is an IDEA jacket. If not, take this time to take it off and put it in your backpack or give it to your teacher so that they can hang on to it because you're not allowed to wear it inside the school. All right, we have some really exciting events this week. So next week we have a lot of stuff. We get to dress up and have a fun week for Red Ribbon Week. But this week we have Fall Fest on Friday and the bike raffle. Some other announcements. Some of you did not finish the thinking before you speak for your SEL lesson last week, so that's what you will be focusing in on. Remember to be exercising your ability to not flip your lid, but to keep your emotions in check and be able to keep your prefrontal cortex in control. This week we have quite a few tests, so make sure you're here every single day. 3rd and 4th grade, you have some tests tomorrow. On Thursday, 3rd grade, you have another test. And then 2nd and 5th, you have tests on Friday. Not to mention that we have RenStar testing this week and Dibbles. So good luck, everyone. Make sure you're studying and paying attention in class. Some updates on attendance. We had a ton of students out on Friday. We had 26 students out, which means we only had a 96.14 attendance. That means we did not meet our goal again. So just remember that you guys will be entered in that raffle. Every single day you're here, your name stays in the bucket, and when we pick names, on Friday, you have a better chance of getting a prize. Also, if you're here all 5 days this week, you will be entered in to win a brand new bicycle. All right, get ready to say the Runberg chant with me. Ready? Go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Let's make it a marvelous Monday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents and dojo message them of the students that you do not see in your homeroom, and make sure to message the 88 group. Hope you all have an amazing day.